90 minutes before kickoff, a World Cup match can be won or lost, and not a single ball has been kicked. There's a piece of paper, or rather a form on a screen. Get it wrong and your best player legally does not exist. He can warm up, he can wear the shirt, he still can't play. It's called the start list and most fans have never heard of it. Here is exactly how it works. The start list is the official roster a team hands in before every World Cup match. It's drawn from a pool of 26 eligible players, at least 2 of them goalkeepers, because someone has to volunteer for that. From those, you name 11 starters and up to 15 substitutes. 1 captain clearly marked, up to 11 officials allowed on the bench. The shirt numbers on the form have to match the shirts on the bodies, no exceptions. The electronic system opens 8 hours before kickoff. The final version has to be submitted and signed at least 90 minutes before, and neither team's list goes public until both have handed theirs in. After that, the names are locked. Here's the part that trips people up. The list isn't a suggestion. It's the entire universe of who is allowed on the field. If a player isn't on it, he doesn't play. Doesn't matter how famous he is. Doesn't matter that the whole world bought his jersey. No name, no game. So picture this. Star Striker tweaks his hamstring in the warm-up. Now the clock matters. The team can swap him for a named substitute, but only by telling the match director and the referee before kickoff, and only with a medical report filed within 24 hours. And the striker who came off, he's done. Not benched for later. Gone. He can't be subbed back on at minute 70 when it's getting desperate. He can sit on the bench and look sad. That's it. But here's the mercy clause. That pre-match swap doesn't cost the team anything. They still get their full set of in-game substitutions, 5 of them across 3 stoppages. The forced change before kickoff is free. The names on the list, though, are sacred. Wrong shirt numbers, missing signatures, 11 bodies on the pitch that don't match the 11 on the form. And the whole thing gets shipped off to the FIFA disciplinary committee. Submit late and same story. A clerical error becomes a hearing. At the World Cup 2026, with the rosters expanded and every squad stacked, that 90-minute deadline is where the real first decision of the match gets made quietly, on a form. 48 teams, 104 matches, and every single one of them begins with the same quiet act of paperwork. So that's the start list. 11 who start, 15 who wait, 1 who leads, all locked in 90 minutes early. A player not on it can't play. A player taken off it before kickoff can't come back. And the substitutes you name are the only ones you'll ever get. The match starts before the whistle. You just never noticed. The game has not changed. You have. You're welcome. Subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. It means a lot.